My name is Francis Daniel Okumagba, the president and founder of FMG Empowerment Company Limited. We put smiles in the faces of people that we actually encounter. FMG means free mentorship grooming. We freely mentor and groom people that we encounter. For the young people, we mentor them. For the older people, we become their consultant in positioning them to succeed in whatever they do. The challenge that parents go through today in mentoring and bringing up children cannot be overemphasized. If you leave your children, you get them into wrong hands and you pick up wrong vices, drug, veganism, runs, and all sort of things. Give us the opportunity to mentor your children so that they can be very successful in whatever they do. We open their eyes to change the way they think positively. We also show them how they can properly groom themselves. And the third one is how they can select the right friends that they mingle around. And by the time we expose them to the opportunities that we have in Nigeria, they are ready and set to face society. Don't let your children lose out of the mentorship process that we have today. It costs only 20,000 naira to make this happen. To pay school fees is well off. You pay school fees of over 1 million naira. If you pay 20,000 naira to get someone that can mentor your children, it cannot be overemphasized. Enroll your children today for mentorship. The mentorship is for life. Once they get it, they will get access to our WhatsApp and social media angles that can actually open them to how they can actually get most of those tips that they need to succeed.
For more information, please call +234 8052 551000 or visit our website www.fmgnigeria.com. You can follow us on Twitter at FMG Platform or our Facebook page FMG Platform. You can also visit our corporate office at FMG Platform House, number 11 Dakala Street, off Parakou Street, opposite Hotel Dabras, Wuse, Abuja, Nigeria.